explain, there's no difference between someone being accused of anal and oral sex and someone just hugging and kissing. Can you explain that?
The age of consent in Indiana is 16, unless you're a teacher or an advisory position in the school, which makes a child selection. The Indiana legislature has not made a difference between whether you're kissing somebody or whether you're having anal intercourse, which is another argument for another day of whether there ought to be a differentiation with the legislature about that. But no, there isn't under the statute.
If these three hadn't been school teachers, would we still be here today?
If you're 16 years of age and you're not a school teacher, I'll give you an example. The coach at Martinsville, that girl graduated in December. It happened in January. There wasn't a crime. What happened with the 17-year-old girl? But if she hadn't been graduated, it would have been a crime. So that's what makes it a crime.
Have you ever seen anything like this in Putnam County?
I haven't. We got 4 school corporations. We're a rural county where people don't lock their doors at night. I know people leave their keys in their car around the courthouse. These things just don't happen in our community. So I've never had an allegation involving any teacher, let alone 3 teachers. Or 3 not teachers, but 3 staff members.
Can you say if this was a case of a victim coming forward or someone seeing something they thought, I need to let the police know what's going on?
Yeah, if you look at the probable cause affidavit, the victim came forward, questions were raised, the investigation was started. It started through the Department of Homeland Security because they do a lot of things with internet issues, pictures being taken, pornography over the internet. So they involve the state police, and the state police have a special victims unit for children. And it also helped because being a small county, rumors are rampant in our community about it because the school board had taken some issues with the band teachers. So it helped us to have an out-of-county person. The lead detective was from Pendleton, the other detective was from Evansville. We interviewed everybody out of county, including the victim. So really, until the story hit, I don't think anybody had an idea it was coming, which helped finish the investigation.
And the probable cause talks about texts and pictures sent, but nothing pornographic in nature that could bring another charge?
Actually, we haven't found anything yet. We're waiting on the Department of Homeland Security is going to deliver to us all the text and all the pictures. And once we receive that, we can decide if there could be other charges.
What happens now in the case? Just continue to formulate?
We'll provide discovery. We'll start the process.
You got in mind?
We're not part of the administrative process. I mean, there may be an administrative process for the school, but that's separate.
Any doubt in mind these 3 guys are go-to?
It's not my job. I mean, what I'm going to say is the judge, we provided him with an affidavit from the officer. He found probable cause and issued arrest warrants.
Very delicate situation given the community and especially for the 16-year-old involved, and whether or not that victim has to go back to school and face all kinds of who knows what from now on.
That's an issue. I've discussed it. I've met with the victim's father. I've spoken to him daily. We're concerned. We want to make sure counseling is in place, and we've addressed those issues. But I mean, in Putnam County, to give you an idea, most graduation classes are 90 to 100 students. A little different in Marion County, maybe 500 kids. So everybody knows everybody. And with texting and Facebook, rumors can be rampant.
And can you say how the victim's doing? How is he holding up?
So far, so good. The interview we did at a place called Susie's Place in Avon, which is a forensic interview. That way, he didn't have to go through it numerous times with numerous individuals. So, seems to be holding up well.